Good morning, students. Before we start, I would like to request everyone to please stand for a prayer. In the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Okay, class, before you sit down, I would like to request everyone to please pick up the pieces of paper, and before you sit down, please arrange your chairs. Okay, good morning again. So, how was your day? It's good to hear that everyone is having a great and productive day. So, may I request the class monitor to please check the attendance. What was our topic last meeting? Now, to solve the problem, what should we do? Very good! What are the steps that we need to follow in order to find the solution and write a question? Very good! Now, any questions, clarifications about the previous topic? If none, we will now proceed to our new topic. But before that, we will have an activity first. Okay? I have here a printout pictures of the following tourist spot in Lanuza. This activity is entitled Exploring the Beauty of Lanuza. So, study the picture and name the tourist spot and identify which barangay it is found. What have you noticed in the activity? Very good. Now, what do you think is our topic for today? Excellent. So, our topic for today is all about plotting a point and determining the coordinates in Cartesian plane. But before we start, I would like you to read the objectives. I want you to group yourselves into two groups. Now that you have grouped yourselves into two groups, I will give each group an activity sheet. All members should participate, okay? Okay, very well then. Instructions are written on the activity sheets. Using the coordinate plane, plot all the given coordinates and make a graph. I will give you 5 minutes to do the activity. What have you observed in the activity? What shapes did you guys form? Can you determine all the given coordinates? Very good. Thank you everyone for your cooperation. Using your hands, let us give ourselves a GOOD clap for a job well done. Any questions, clarifications about the activity? If none, let us now proceed to the discussion. Cartesian coordinate system is also called a rectangular coordinate system. It is defined by an ordered pair of perpendicular lines or axes, a single unit of length for both axes and an orientation for each axis. The word rectangular is used because the perpendiculars from a given point and the coordinate axis form a rectangle. The word Cartesian is used in honor of René Descartes, the 17th century French philosopher and the mathematician who first devised the coordinate system. What have you seen in the picture? What do you call or name the point in the Cartesian plane? Okay, very good. As you can see at the picture, the number lines intersect at a point is called the origin, this one. The horizontal number line is called the x-axis, while the vertical number line is called the y-axis. Both are called coordinate axes. If you have difficulty in determining the horizontal number line and the vertical number line, always remember that the x-axis, which is the horizontal, means higda. Higda, horizontal. While the vertical number line, which is the y-axis, is vertical, which is vangon. The first number A, number on the x-axis, which is this one, is called the x-coordinate or abscissa. While the second number B, which is this one, number on the y-axis, is called x-coordinate or ordinate. So these numbers are called ordinate. Give the coordinate points of each point labeled in the graph. Who wants to volunteer? Did you guys understand it? Can you name the ordered pair of the plotted point? Very good. If points in the coordinate plane can be named, points can also be plotted in the plane given their coordinates. To locate the point P represented by the ordered pair 3 and 4, point the tip of your pencil at the origin, this is the origin, and move it 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, and then move it 4 units upward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the x-coordinate of P is 3 and the y-coordinate is 4. The process of locating a point in the coordinate is called plotting the point. Study the figure, locate point 4 and 3 and compare its position with the point 3 and 4. Locate also points 2 and 5 and negative 5 and 2 and compare their positions in the plane. Point 3 and 4 located in the same quadrant as point 4 and 3. How about points 2 and negative 5 and negative 5 and 2? Why? Very good. Given the coordinates of a point, the quadrant where it is located can be determined. So, the diagram summarizes the location of a point in the plane using the signs of its coordinate. Who wants to explain the Cartesian plane using the signs of its coordinate at the front? Anyone who wants to volunteer? Are there any questions, clarifications? If none, let us have a short recap. What is Cartesian coordinate system in 2 dimensions? Very good. What do you call the first number A and the second number B? Very good. What do you call the process of locating the point in the coordinates? Very good. You all did understand the lesson. Okay, class. Since there are no more questions and you all understand the lesson, I would like you to answer the following activity. Okay, I will give you 10 minutes to answer the activity. Time is up. Please pass your paper in front without making any noise. And please copy the assignment. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you learned something. Thank you and see you next meeting.